Welcome to Techie Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable background apps on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, you have to do is just go to search and type for settings. Then just open up settings. Then from here, you need to select privacy. Just open up privacy. Then just scroll down from the left hand menu till you find background apps. Then just click on it. And from here, you can either turn this off, let apps run in the background. This will disable all the background apps. But if you want, you can turn this on and manually turn off the apps that you don't want in the background. For example, I don't want my camera, I don't want Cortana. Just manually select all the apps that you don't want to be running on your background. And if you don't want all of them, just turn it off from here. And basically that is it. And that is how to disable background apps on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.